Hey Geetka, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm not doing well.
What happened?
There has been a crime scene in our neighborhood last night.
Oh my god, did they find who the culprit is?
The investigations are still going on, but they found out through few hair strands of the culprit.
How would hair strands help us to get the clue?
Through the hair strands, after analyzing the DNA samples, we can find out who the culprit is. But what is DNA connection to me? How can I explain without any visual representation?
Don't worry, Ignite provides us with amazing facilities through which we can visually comprehend our idea.
Then let's go.
So here, this is the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the genetic material in most of the living organisms. In fact, it is the most preferred genetic material than RNA, which is the first evolved one. Then why DNA is most preferred genetic material? Because DNA is structurally more stable and chemically less reactive than RNA, and that too, it stores the genetic information. This structure seems like a lab. Can you explain more about its structure?
Yes, DNA is a double helical structure. It consists of two strands, and each strand runs anti-parallel to the another. DNA is nothing but a polymer of deoxyribonucleotides, and it consists of three parts. The first part is nitrogenous base, the second part is a deoxyribose sugar, and the third part is a phosphate group. Basically, the most common type of DNA has 10 base pairs, and each base pair is linked with two nitrogen bases, either with a double or a triple hydrogen bonds. For example, adenine pairs with thymine and guanine pairs with cytosine. This model was proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick in the year 1950.
And nitrogenous bases are of two types, purines and pyrimidines. Purines consist of adenine and guanine, and pyrimidine consist of cytosine and thymine.
Always A pairs with T, that is adenine pairs with thymine with a double bond, and G pairs with C, that is guanine pairs with cytosine with a triple bond.
And not only that, DNA is known as the blueprint of life, and it stores the genetic material which is different from person to person. And that is how we can find the culprit regarding the case with Geetika.
Thank you guys, I really understood.
All the credit goes to Ignite, which provides us with such amazing facilities. And not only this, our science lab also has various other experiments through which we can understand our classes with better exposure.
Thank you, Ignite.